Hey you guys, it's Yarn Goddess Cosplay, and today we're going to learn how to work a popcorn stitch in a round. Now, this stitch does require you to know how to use double crochet and single crochet, and if you are unfamiliar with how to start those two stitches, go ahead and feel free to check out my crochet tutorial for beginners. If you're familiar, let's hop right into this. So the first thing you're going to do is start with a magic circle, and you're going to work 6 single crochet around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that you have that, grab the yarn and pull the circle close and slip stitch into your first single crochet to join the round. Next, you're going to chain 1 and work 2 single crochet into each single crochet around. Remember to slip stitch into your first single crochet to join the round. You should have a total of 12 single crochet in your circle. Now we're going to begin the popcorn stitch. So step 1, chain 1, single crochet into your first single crochet. You're going to begin to do double crochet, but you're not going to complete the stitch. So you're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through, come on camera, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You're not going to complete it. You're going to start another double crochet in the same stitch. So you're going to yarn over, go into the same stitch again, pull through, and those first 2 loops in your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through those. You're going to repeat this 2 more times. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. You should be gaining loops on your hook, so right now you should have 4. You're going to do it 1 more time. Yarn over into the same stitch, pull through, yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. At this point you should have 5 loops on your hook, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so now to complete your popcorn stitch, you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through all 5 on your hook very carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to pull tight, and there goes your popcorn. You can basically repeat this all the way around. So your next step, you're going to do a single crochet into the next single crochet, and then you're going to repeat the same popcorn stitch into the next stitch. So yarn over in the loop, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over in the loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. You should have 3. Repeat, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2. Repeat 1 more time, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2. You should have 5 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over again and then pull through all 5. And you're going to repeat this all the way around. Alright, so on your final stitch, you should be able to end on a popcorn stitch. If you find yourself doing single crochet in the last stitch, it means you either skipped a stitch or you're off by one. So you should have started with single crochet, ended on the popcorn stitch. And to join the round, you're going to just go into the first single crochet and slip stitch to join. And that is how you work popcorn stitch around in a circle. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any more questions or other stitches you'd like for me to explain and show how to do, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. And as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye! Supporting my channel and watching my videos. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!